cray pot.
Get out, we've got boiling water. Tray, ready for the table. Well, we've been at Robe for a few weeks and started to catch some cray, and then the weather roughed up. It's now been 5 days since we've been able to check the cray pots. There won't be any bait left, and the pot will probably be full of seaweed.
It's a rugged, beautiful coastline.
I think I'll just do this one.
Have a look at the one out the front, the pot out the front, see what is happening out there with the swell out there. Doesn't look too bad actually. Swell's not too bad.
There's a few waves coming through, but it's not bad.
They could have moved to a half decent spot, Brendon.
Yeah.
You never know.
That's a bit of a wave.
Yes, that is a bit of a wave. Don't think I'd want you swimming in that wave.
No.
There's a real rip going out there.
It'd be alright if I had someone else that on my own.
No.
It might be better tomorrow.
You can see the rip going out too.
Oh well, it looks like I should be able to get that. Yeah, it looks alright. Yeah.
You able to get to it?
Yeah, easy. Right, we'll be back.
Good luck. Go hunter-gatherer. This is the action. You need a license for this type of crayfishing, cray potting, which we get an annual license for. Okay. That's a good start. Now we just have to hope it's not sunk under sand or snagged. It's been a few days since it's been checked, as we're saying, because of the bad weather. So anything is possible down there. It looks like it's lifting. Say that's empty. Anything in there? Oh, one. That's unexpected. It's a lot calmer here, but the waves around the front, I can hear them absolutely belting in. So I don't think we're going to be getting that other pot today somehow. Measured size, so now it's got the scissors to clip the tail. It's done straight away to... Uh-oh, here's trouble. Oh gosh. That was lucky. Sometimes we see a seal out here. Swims along to say hello. I haven't seen him this year. I don't know if Brendon has when I don't come out every day. They're rebaiting. Oh,
It's all right
that'll
size.
be nice tea.
Yeah.
How do you think you're cooking?
I don't know.
On the barbie or boiling?
Oh,
Not to be sneezed at.
no.
Better than a kick in the pants. Now, why do you have to snip the tail?
Snip the tail to show it's an amateur catch.
Okay. Sounds good. Getting back out of the little dip out after a successful cray pot.
Yeah, one cray, and it's definitely size, so that's good. Have crayfish for dinner.
It's a little bit of a wet retrieval. At least you didn't have to go for a swim.
No, I didn't have to go for a swim. But it was lucky because there was absolutely no bait. There was the bones of the fish head that has been in the pot for the last week. But that's about it. So it must have been a desperate crayfish to get that. But crayfish for dinner.
Yeah.
So we're about to cook the crayfish. Take it out. We've got boiling water. We'll just put it in the boiling water. It's actually been drowned in fresh water. The crayfish die after they've been in fresh water for a while, and it seems to be it's supposed to be a humane way of killing the crayfish. So the crayfish was in the fresh water. We just put it in boiling water, and it'll take about 6 minutes to actually cook once the crayfish comes back to the boil. So we'll leave it for a few minutes, get it back to the boil, and then we'll have crayfish.
And plunge it in cold water at the
Yep.
end?
Once we finish, take it out of the boiling water and plunge it into cold water. That cools it down and stops it cooking.
Too easy. Cooking time up.
Yep, and it's ready.
Isn't that hot?
Yep, very hot.
I'll go and get a cloth.
That's all right.
Oh,
Turn the heat off.
got your fresh water ready?
Yep.
It's down in there.
Cold water ready.
Mind your toes.
Yep.
Get your safety boots on.
Yeah, I got my safety boots. And douse it until it's cool.
Well done. Hunter-gatherer.
Like lunch or dinner.
Whatever you want it to be.
This is an easy way to clean the cray. Just take the knife and cut round mouth there. Remove that section. And give it a wash. I know the purists don't like washing the crays with fresh water, but I don't mind.
And there you have a cray ready for the table. But I'm going to take it one step further and I'm going to dissect this one with the tail. Peel the flesh out of the tail. And the only thing you have to do then is make sure you remove the chute. Lovely fresh cray for dinner. Give that a try.
Thanks for tuning in. Catch us, TripAUSAdventures, on the socials and give us a like if you like what you see.